There's a reason Frederictonians love the hill. Let's check out why 15 Lorne Street is a perfect example. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home features an updated kitchen, a ductless heat pump, and a finished basement. Whether you work uptown or downtown, this location is pretty convenient, especially for university workers and healthcare workers, with the deck and campuses minutes away. Several schools are close by, making it a great choice for families, and there's so much to do nearby, such as the city's walking trails, Odell Park, and downtown Fredericton. Thanks for watching. For more information on 15 Lorne Street, visit realtor.ca.